Vectors have the same direction, coordinate system. Points are collinear, coordinate system. Midpoint, coordinates of the midpoint, coordinates of center of gravity. Okay. First one. The first one. U and V have same direction. If U of coordinates x prime or xy, and V has coordinates x prime, y prime. U and V have same direction. U and V have same direction, equivalent to say that x times y prime is equal to x prime y. يعني ها الouter والinner. For one reason, when you say that u and v have same direction, it means that u is equal to some constant times v. If you want, this is the proof. If u and v have same direction, it means that u is equal to some constant v. According to the properties of two equal vectors and vector multiplying by constant, it means that x is equal to some constant times x prime, and y is equal to this constant k times y prime. This means that here k is equal to x over x prime, and k is equal to y over y prime, provided that x prime and y prime are both not zero. إذا كانوا زيرو صار الفكتور هو زيرو. إذا اثنينهم زيروز أو بصير الفكتور زيرو. إذا واحدة منهم زيرو، نفترض هيدي زيرو. يعني let's say x prime is equal to 0, then x is equal to 0. Okay, صار عندك 0y and 0y prime, then they have the same direction. خلصنا خلص. طيب here it means that k is equal to x over x prime, k is equal to y over y prime. So x over x prime is equal to y over y prime. This means that cross product, then xy prime is equal to x prime y. Okay, so two vectors have same direction. And let's say another example. Let's say we have u as components 2, -3, and v has components -5, 7. Let's check if these two vectors have same direction or not. X of u times y of v, that's equal to 2 times 7. X of u is 2, y of v is 7, so you get 14. And x of v times y of u, x of v times y of u, which is equal to -5 times -3, which is equal to 15. They are not equal. It means that u and v, they don't have same direction. They don't have same direction. يعني واحد هيك والثاني not parallel. يعني the lines holding these two vectors are not parallel. هيدا u هيدا v, for example. Okay, بهالبساطة بس بقدر أعرف أن line vectors have same direction or not. Is that clear? The first point.
Yes. Yes.
Good. إذن vectors have same direction. يعني عندي هاي. Collinear points. Using this to check if points are collinear. If you have point A, of course, with coordinates xa, ya, point B of coordinates xb, yb, and point C of coordinates xc, yc. And you have to determine if the points are collinear or not using their coordinates. Determine if the points are collinear or not. Like, if you consider vector BA and vector CA, vector BA has coordinates xa minus xb, ya minus yb. and vector CA has coordinates XA minus XC, YA minus YC. Right. If points A, B, and C are collinear, if points A, B, and C are collinear, if A, B, and C are collinear, then what can I say about vectors CA and BA?
Have same direction.
Exactly. Then vectors BA and CA have same direction. هذا اللي نحن حكيناه بالprevious lesson. Okay? A, B, and C are collinear, then you can write BA is equal to some constant times CA. We have one point in common. مش ضروري ناخد BA و CA بس. You can take BA and BC. We have one point in common. Okay? You can take CA and CB. We have one point in common. Okay? فالمهم إن يكون في عندنا point in common. طب هون أنا أخذت vector BA CA. Vector BA and CA have same direction. Applying what we studied on x times y prime, xy prime is equal to x prime y. شو يعني xy prime؟ يعني هاي times this is equal to the product of these two. And here I can say they have same direction. So x of BA times y of the second vector CA is equal to x of CA times y of BA. Then this means that replace x of BA لك وين XA minus XB times y of CA, YA minus YB, YC is equal to x of CA, right? XA minus XC, and y of BA, YA minus YB. مثل ما انت شايف هون هودي the outer ones and the inner ones. طيب فإذا 3 points are collinear if their coordinates satisfy this equation. Well, how to memorize it? like طريقة سهلة. Well, I'm not example. شوف كيف تحفظهم هودي. طبعا انت هذا what I wrote here is the derivation of this rule, but of course you don't have to derive this rule every time. انت بس you apply this rule. Hey, you apply the rule, you don't derive it again. The way to memorize it, شوف x minus x, y minus y, x minus x, y minus y. تفتح brackets هيك x minus x, y minus y is equal to x minus x, y minus y. طلع فيهم هودي أول point A حط هون A. طيب بعد عندنا البوينتس الباقيين اللي هن البي والسي. شوف كيف محطوطين هون بي سي بي سي بي هيك. دائما لازم بلش ب A؟ لا، تختار شي نقطة. يعني أنا في أحطهم هيك x minus x, y minus y is equal to x minus x, y minus y. طلع معنا هون AB AC AB. Okay, for one reason لأنه أنا أخذت هون فيكتورز BA CA. طب يجي واحد بيقول لك طب أنا بدي أخذ فيكتور BC and BA. أكيد بيمشي الحال، بس رح يتغيروا هودي، بس بضل نفس الرول يعني ما تغير الكونسبت هو ذاته. طيب if you choose another point خلينا أنا بدي بلش ب B. You still have AC. حط هون AC، الثاني بتكون CA بس. هيدي. If you have points غير ABC شو ما يكون عندك points L, M and P. طيب x minus x, y minus y is equal to x minus x, y minus y. حط شو بدك تبلش في point M. هي M and M. We still have L and P. LP PL. هيك you applied it. To take an example, يلا صارت 12:30 مش رح عندكم صف مش هيك؟ عندكم حصة هلا؟
ايه استاذ عندي.
طيب لكن مش رح ياخذ من وقتكم وقت الحصة اللي بعد منكم. I'm going to stop here.